In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a form on Framer. We'll walk through this step-by-step process together, and it won't be long before you have everything set up smoothly. For this tutorial, we're going to need a little assistance from another website called Paperform, and I'll guide you through each and every step. To start with, make your way over to paperform.co. If you haven't got an account yet, go ahead and create one. It's simple and won't take much time at all. Once you're logged in, you'll have the opportunity to choose from a variety of templates that Paperform offers. Select a template that suits your needs best, as this is the form you will be embedding into Framer. After selecting your template, direct your attention to the top of the Paperform interface and click on the Share button. This will open up a range of sharing options for you. Look for the option labeled Social and URL. It's there that you'll find the web link you need. Copy this URL carefully, as it plays a critical role in the embedding process. With that URL safely copied, let's move over to your Framer account. Once you're logged into Framer, navigate to the page editor where you're looking to place the form. This is where all the exciting magic happens. Once there, you'll notice an Insert button sitting at the top left corner of your screen. Give that a click. In the search bar that appears, type in Embed. This will pull up the Embed option for you. Click on it and then drag this embed element into your page editor where you want the form to appear. Position it precisely according to your layout and design preferences. Now direct your gaze to the right side of your screen. Here, you'll find a field labeled URL. This is where the magic really starts to take effect. Paste the URL you copied from Paperform into this field and hit Enter. The form will now be linked into your project. It might take a moment for everything to load correctly. Sometimes systems require a little patience, so just give it time. Once it's loaded, you're almost at the finish line. The final step is to publish and update your page to bring all those changes live. You'll now have a fully functional form embedded in Framer, ready for visitors to interact with whenever they land on your page. And voila, that's how you embed a form on Framer in a few simple steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more useful content like this. Thanks for watching and happy designing.